All right, over my arm. Don't lift it up till the cake's over here, right about there. Over we go.
About 1/8 of an inch thick.
Yeah, that
Ish.
sounds good. Actually, as long as you smooth your cake really well, you can go thinner on the fondant.
Okay.
Styrofoam, it takes like if I was any thinner, you can kind of see the styrofoam there a bit. So really go thinner than that on the styrofoam because you'll see what's under it. So I'm just opening this up, turning it, and going about halfway down. Open in, turn it, work over the cake like this. All right, I'm going to trim a little bit just so I can turn it because I still have a little smoothing to do over here, but I'm going to turn it so you can see. Okay, so then I can go ahead and trim around the base. Okay, so get these wires through here again. Okay, so it would be sitting on those dowels, right? Not just on the cake. Where's the back? That's the back. Make sure this is
Right,
kind of
so you've got
centered.
4 dowels in the bottom layer.
Correct, holding that up.
And the second tier is on a little cake board.
Whoops. Getting in there, cutting that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Just trying to get in here and tuck this in.
Now the little bit of blue luster dust that you used kind of ties in the blue.
See?
Look at that.
Yeah. That's what we're talking about.
It's like you almost planned it that way.
Almost. But we know I don't plan that far ahead.
Oh, no.
Okay, so next here is going to be the one that looks like the life preserver. It's not really ring. Yeah, thank
The
you.
ring. What is it called?
So
Yeah,
that
it's
one.
a life preserver. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
Sounded weird. I think
Right.
of something.
It's a donut.
A donut.
Oh,
A donut. So this one's going to be mainly white.
no. Yeah.
So I'll just put shortening on this. So this cake, I mean, this is the only one that would have a little bit of carving. And all you would do is just start with a regular round cake. Just trim the edge here and then cut in the edge there. To ice this one, you go ahead and ice it. And then if you use some of the acetate paper, which is that plastic, you can actually smooth the edge. I'll show you in a second. As soon as I get this on,
Yeah, a little piece of acetate.
Yeah, I've got some pieces here that I can.
About the size of a playing card, or maybe half a playing card
Half
size.
of one,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So you would take extra buttercream like this on here and then place it on and just smooth it, curve it, and smooth it like that. That's how you would smooth it with buttercream. So this one, I think I'll just keep it a little thicker so you don't see some of those little dents on the bagel.
On the bagel. It's a donut. It's a big donut.
But if it was smaller and you only you wanted more of a 3D one, if you actually do use a donut pan with chocolate and put chocolate in the donut pan. I actually made a donut on a cake for today. So yeah, you could make a preserver out of that, and then you'd be able to stand it up right away. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of go around the edges like so. And then trim, leaving a little excess so I can tuck that underneath. This would be on a cake board also, folks. Look at that.
Wait, we gotta zoom
It's
in.
ruined.
What do we say? Oh, look at that.
Fingernail right through it.
Fingernail right through.
What do you do? Do you
What
rip it
in
off?
the world?
What do you do? Do you
you
take
do?
it off? Tell me, what do you do? I mean, at this point, I could still smooth it out, actually, but hey, that's where one of my little strips will go, right?
Right.
So, don't worry about it. Again, dowels would be in that cake, right?
4?
To hold this cake, there
4
would
dowels?
be dowels in it, 4 dowels.
Okay.
I thought you were saying
3.
for what? For
For,
for
the
to
number
hold
4.
it up?
3 dowels or 4 dowels.
4.
in the
I always
second
use
tier.
4. So we need to decide how wide we're going to do these. So I'm thinking about 3 inches. So 3 inches.
You're just making this up, aren't
I
you?
am just making it
Okay.
up because that's what I do.
All right.
And this is how I work.
I can see that.
I mean, this is what I do.
Yeah,
You know, this isn't just for TV.
that's right.
Now, usually this will have to just kind of zoom in a little bit here. Now, don't worry too much about if everyone is, you can actually use this one as a pattern. Now I'm just going to put a little shortening. You can use water also. And we'll just make sure we tuck this down underneath. Go over the top.
Kathleen would like to know if this is Coast Guard approved.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure it is.
Right.
Yeah. Thanks, Kat.
Yeah. Coast Guard approved. Look at that.
We can't.
Blue. We can't
Can't see
see
it.
anything you're doing. We can't see it. Beautiful.
There
Look.
it is. Look at that.
Blue.